Nurses work incredibly hard to provide patient care, but how much money do they actually make each year? In this video, we'll take a look at salary averages for the different types of nurses based on the latest data published by the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Now remember, a nurse's salary can vary depending on their location, experience, specialty, industry, and so forth. First, we'll include the nursing assistants, which made an average salary of $33,250 and an average hourly wage of $15.99. Next up, licensed practical nurses. They earned an average salary of $51,850 and an average hourly wage of $24.93. Next up, registered nurses, which had an average salary of $82,750 and an average hourly wage of $39.78. And then finally, we'll take a look at some of those advanced practice registered nurses, such as the nurse practitioner, which earned an average salary of $118,040 in the US and an average hourly wage of $56.75. Nurse midwives earned an average salary of $114,210 and an average hourly wage of $54.91. And then finally, the nurse anesthetist, which earned the highest average salary, $202,470, and the average hourly wage there was $97.34. And here's a quick look at how the nursing salary averages have grown over the past few years. Nurse anesthetists saw the biggest percentage increase in salary from 2020 to 2021 with an increase of 7.02%. And while nurse midwives saw a nice jump from 2019 to 2020 in their salary average, they actually decreased by 1.15% from 2020 to 2021. Okay, that wraps up this video on the nursing salary update. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please subscribe.